Hi there, lovelies. I'm trying something a little bit different today, portraiture. And these are characters from Cornish characters, 17th century, long ago. So we've got Sir Richard Penberthy. He's a country squire and gentleman. Saki Martin. He's a Cornish preacher from years gone by. Morwenna Penrose. She is a Cornish ballmaiden and works in the tin mines. Billy Trevithick. He's a Cornish smuggler and he's sitting in the pub playing cards, waiting for the next shipment to come into the cove. Samuel Penhale. He's a Cornish miner. And here we have Jacob Chenoweth. He's a Cornish fisherman. So, let's see what we can do with this next Cornish character. Right, okay, here we are. Right, now, for this one, I'm going to paint a Cornish smuggler again and give him a clay pipe and everything. Put the pipe on that side this time. Right, so the colours I'm using are, I like to make the paintings, these paintings, look as if they're, let's have a look, well, who shall we get? Let's get Sir Richard. Let's get Sir Richard. I like to make them look as if they're old, like antique looking, if you know what I mean. So for that, I always do this dark background. And I put the background on in burnt umber. And then I just do this. And the colours of the skin are made up with lots of different layers. So that's about the size. Yeah, that's about the size. Ish. That could be brought in, but I can do that later. Right, so that's Sir Richard. And we're going to do a Cornish smuggler, I think. Right, so the colours I'm using are going to be black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, cream, not white, and I've got these skin colours. That's like a sienna, that's like a burnt sienna. That is a Hobbycraft. It doesn't say the colour, but it's like flesh, that one. Here's another one, which is a sort of light flesh, and that's a greyish flesh. I've just ordered some paints today. They should be coming by Amazon, and they're all flesh colours. So you can actually buy flesh colours, but I use these, and I'll use the cream as well. So let's get moving, shall we? Right, so on top of this now, I'm going to put a lighter colour. And it will be layers and layers and layers of colour, okay? I'm also going to put some dark colours. There. I'm leaving the darks underneath, like I do with clouds. Right, let's get a bluey black. Bluey black with cream in it. So let's put that. Now I'm going to need shadow where the nose is. Going to be. So I'll do that. A bit of shadow there. Now, let's do shadow there as well. A little bit of shadow. Shadow under the eyes. Now, like that, okay. Right, now we're going to do, you can make up nice skin colours just with your sienna. You don't have to have any special. You can do all different shades of sienna with the cream. Now, let's see, where am I? There. Just see how rough that is. Incredibly rough. So there he is, Richard Trevithick, a Cornish merchant. And that's the end of the video. If you would like to see more like this, more detailed instruction on portraits, please let me know in the comments. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.